What's up guys, Rock here, founder and owner of Gymreapers, and today I'm going to be showing you our arm blaster and how to use it, what the benefits are. I got our arm blaster here, it's in red. Obviously it comes with some grip around the side for extra padding. We got the neoprene backing around your neck. And what this does is it helps isolate your biceps so that you're not swinging or your range of motion and the total movement of your working your arm is not off. And so as I put this around my neck here, you can see it kind of tightens up and secures my biceps in a certain range of motion so that when I'm using dumbbells and I'm curling, it isolates and provides tension throughout the movement. If you're interested in picking up a Gymreapers arm blaster, they're available now at gymreapers.com.